hi. Say hi. Okay. Okay. Malaya. Say hi to everybody in Michigan. Malaya. Maya. Hey. Say hi. Say hi to everybody in Michigan and Ohio.
Hi everybody, I miss you very much.
So who are you saying hi to? In Michigan.
I'm saying hi to Tito Mark, Tita Jean.
Tita Jean is in here.
And
I mean, she's over here.
Tita John, Tito John, Tito
Tito
Jet,
JR.
Tito JR, Lola Belen, Papa Joe, everybody.
Nina.
Nina.
Your cousin.
I'm talking about everybody in Michigan.
Okay, we'll say hi to your cousin.
Hi Jessie.
And what else? Who else? And Tita Les.
And Tita Listen.
Tito Jessie.
Tito Jessie.
Okay, wish them a Merry Christmas.
Huh?
Wish them a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I love you.
I love you guys. Say we miss you.
I miss you. I miss you.
Oh, what about Tito Loy?
You too, Tito Lloyd.
Okay, let's see where my Milana is. Lana Boo Boo. Say hi. Hi. Tell them your name. What's your name? Nana. That's not your name. Say Milana. Okay. Give him a kiss. Blow a kiss. Mwah. Like this. Mwah. Okay. Say bye. Malaya. Say bye.
Bye.